What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be unboxing the MacBook Pro M4 Pro. So one more time, MacBook Pro M4 Pro. It's kind of a mouthful, but that's what it is. It's different than the MacBook Pro M4. So if you're watching this video or search for this video, it's probably going to be similar, but I just wanted to state that before we start going here. Okay, so I just got this thing and I'm super happy, super excited to be unboxing this. This is just going to help out my workflow like crazy. On with the video, Jim. I know. Let's go. So it came in the bag. Just kind of turn the bag around for you guys. Some of you are really adamant about showcasing as much as possible. So I'm here to do that. Other side. That's what it looks like on top. You got these drawstring handles that they give you. Slip it out of the bag and there you go. Nothing else in the bag. I was supposed to get a case for this thing, but I guess they ran out because it's a couple days before the holidays. That holiday being Christmas for me. So let's go ahead and take a tour around this box. So this is the front of the box. This is the side of the box. Has a little Apple logo on it. This is the bottom of the box. MacBook Pro. Let's go to my left-hand side of the box. There's a little Apple logo on there. This is the top of the box. Check that out. And let's go to the back of the box. Bunch of jargon. It says MacBook Pro chip, 24 gig memory, 152 gig storage. Has these little tabs that you pull. I'm guessing get the computer out. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. We're going to pull these tabs. Okay, now we're going to flip the box back over to front, and I can already feel the box about to open up, and away we go. Lifting up, you are greeted with the MacBook Pro. Let's check out the inside. There's nothing inside. So let's go ahead and get this thing out. So there's a little tab here. You pull up to take this guy out. So let's take it out for a second, out of frame. Okay, so inside the box you were greeted with the little info packet. Let's go ahead and open that. It says MacBook Pro. Just gives you some informational guidelines, I guess, in a sense. It has on the MacBook. And then inside there is just more miscellaneous jargon, and it looks like it would be something else. There's this hard part here. It feels like there's something else in there. I don't know if it comes out. I don't know if it's just the backing. That's a pretty hard backing for something that's just a box. Very strange. Okay, so yeah, this little pamphlet says designed by Apple in California. Put this off to the side for now. It's very interesting. All right, so then you get the power brick here. That's what this looks like. And it has the port for the USB-C type cable. And just to kind of briefly mention to you guys, if you are getting any Apple products nowadays, they say it's preferable to use their actual charging bricks and cables because make them specifically for their Apple products. If you're spending so much money on these products, you might as well go ahead and just use these because there's potential for some reason nowadays to damage your battery or fry your actual device because of not using the correct cable. So just be kind of aware of that knowledge going forward if you are using a third-party cable or third-party brick of that sort. Just a little heads up. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out this cable here. Let's get this thing out. And it has the MagSafe charger end and has the USB-C end. Okay, so there's nothing else in the box. And just by the feel and sturdiness of the box, I'm guessing that's the same thing that's in the little pamphlet. It's just a really sturdy backside to the pamphlet. And let's introduce this guy right here. Here we go. This is the no turning back part of the video. Let's go ahead and peel this back. Okay. Flip it upside down, hands underneath. Careful, careful. Put that back. Flip this back. Flip that back. And we're going to release that paper. And here we are. It says MacBook Pro on the bottom side. Let's flip it over to the front side. Already putting fingerprints on it. As you can tell, it's still kind of cold from being outside because it is winter. Yeah, there it is. Let's take a look-see around. This is where it flaps open. On the side, you get your MagSafe port over here. You get your two USB-C ports there, headphone jack here. So this is the left side of the computer if this computer was in front of you. So they changed the headphone jack placement. On this side, you get an SD card slot, which is great. I haven't had a laptop that had an SD card slot in it before, so this is really great. And you get another USB-C port there and a HDMI port right there. This is great. This is a huge, huge, huge upgrade. Any of these laptops that I've had in the past, really, really great. Gently putting this down at this guy, and we are flipping this open here. Boom, the infamous Apple sound coming into play. And you got the paper right here. We're just gonna get that off. Hurry, hurry, hurry. There you go. Hello. And it turns on automatically, which is awesome. Let's see if we can back out just a bit there. And there you have it. Has a nice keyboard here. Has the touchpad, the trackpad right here. Black keys, really great. Awesome. It's going to get very fingerprinty. I am probably going to get some covers for this guy just so it doesn't get marred up. And it will be really exciting for you too if you choose to get one of these things as well. But yeah, that's going to end this little unboxing video, you guys. If you guys have any questions about this laptop, please leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to try to answer those questions for you. But this is the end of the video here, and maybe I'll do some more videos about this. We'll get a little bit more hands-on with this thing in the near future. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. This really helps me out and gets this video to many more people just like you that are searching for this product right here. Super excited to use it. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.